Hello everyone. Let us see main question 15. Answer the following questions. Question number 37, which carries 4 marks. In that, A. How are inorganic substances transported from the xylem tissue in plants? Explain. How are inorganic substances transported from xylem tissues ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You know that phloem and xylem. They are a transport system in plants. Phloem, which is helpful for transportation of food. Xylem is helpful in transportation of water in plants. Here, in xylem tissue, vessels and tracheids form a continuous water conducting channels reaching all parts of the plant. At the roots, the cells in contact with the soil actively takes up ions. This creates a difference in the concentration of these ions between the roots and the soil. Water therefore moves into the roots from the soil. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ soil ಇಂದ ions ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ion concentration in the soil become higher. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Water therefore moves into the roots from the soil. Evaporation of the water molecules from the cells of a leaf creates a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of roots. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿಯುವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾವನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾದಿಂದ ಸಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಸಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇವಾಪರೇಷನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ, due to that evaporation of water molecules from cells, they act like suction. A leaf creates suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of roots. This is how water is transported in plants. Thank you.